What if I tell you, not every heavy feeling in your chest is anxiety, and not every bad day is stress? Sometimes we say, I have anxiety, and sometimes we say, I'm stressed. But do we actually know the difference between them? Because understanding the difference can actually help us heal better. Today's world is fast. Everyone is running. Deadlines, work pressure, family pressure, money pressure, social media, comparison, and feeling of left out. And slowly we start feeling irritated, overwhelmed, restless. Is it stress or is it anxiety? Namaste everyone. Welcome to Simple Talks. Today we are talking about stress versus anxiety. It's a very deep topic and I know आज की दुनिया में हम सभी इससे निकल रहे हैं. I'm not an expert. I'm just trying to make a difference between stress and anxiety. And why I chose this topic. There was a time I was also dealing with stress and anxiety. कभी मैं कहती थी आज मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ, कभी मैं कहती थी मुझे एंग्जाइटी हो रही है. बट एक्चुअली में स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी में डिफरेंस क्या है? हमें कैसे पता लगे कि आज हम स्ट्रेस्ड हैं, क्या हमें एंग्जाइटी हो रही है? तो आज हम बात करेंगे स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी में डिफरेंस क्या होता है और इनमें से कौन ज़्यादा डेंजरस है और हम इसको कैसे हैंडल करें. स्ट्रेस क्या है? स्ट्रेस एक नेचुरल रिस्पॉन्स है. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में स्ट्रेस इज प्रेशर फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड सिचुएशन. लाइक एग्जाम आ गया, एक डेडलाइन है. स्ट्रेस का मतलब है कि किसी सिचुएशन को पूरा करने के लिए या किसी काम को पूरा करने के लिए आप एक प्रेशर फील करते हो. स्ट्रेस हमेशा बुरा नहीं होता. समटाइम्स स्ट्रेस हेल्प अस टू कीप फोकस्ड. इट हेल्प अस टू परफॉर्म बेटर. बट continuous stress is not good. Stress is your body reacting to a situation, and once the problem goes away, stress also reduces. Now, let's talk about anxiety. Anxiety क्या है? Anxiety थोड़ी different होती है. Anxiety is fear of something that may or may not happen. Anxiety can stay even when there is no clear reason. You are sitting at home, but you are feeling nervous. You are feeling restless. You are overthinking. You keep imagining the worst. Your heart races. Your chest feels heavy. You cannot relax. This is anxiety. Let's take an example. Imagine you have an exam tomorrow and you are worried because you are not prepared. This is stress. But if the presentation is next month and you are thinking about what if anything goes wrong? What if people start judging you? What if you fail? This may be your anxiety. So we can say that stress situation based होती है और anxiety imagination पर based होती है. स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी को कंपेयर करते हैं सिंपल वर्ड्स में. स्ट्रेस प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन, एक्सटर्नल कंडीशन. सिचुएशन खत्म होते ही स्ट्रेस चला जाता है. Example, exam, workload, etc. Anxiety. Anxiety is future fear, internal thoughts. सिचुएशन ख़त्म होने के बाद भी बनी रहती है. Example, fear of failure, overthinking, restlessness. So stress is what is happening and anxiety is what if it happens. Stress के symptom headache, tiredness, irritation, sleep issue, etc. होते हैं. Anxiety के symptoms overthinking, constant fear, restlessness, chest tightness and negative imagination loop. और सबसे डेंजरस बात ये है कि एंग्जाइटी साइलेंटली ग्रो करती है. एंग्जाइटी इज अ स्टॉर्म दैट स्टार्ट्स इनसाइड यू, not outside. And sometimes stress becomes anxiety if we ignore it for too long. Now, the question is, why we mix the two? Because both seem similar. Both makes your heart race. Both makes your mind heavy. Both makes you uncomfortable. But the origin is different. Stress comes from the situation and anxiety comes from the mind. And when we treat anxiety like stress, we make it worse. We try to fix the situation, but situation is not the problem. How to handle stress? If it is stress, take a break. Take a proper sleep. Eat well. Make a to-do list. Spend some time in nature. Do some physical activities. Take one thing at a time and put your phone away for some time. Sometimes your mind just needs rest. How to handle anxiety? If it is anxiety, slow down. Write your thoughts. Don't keep everything inside. Talk to a trusted friend or family. Reduce overthinking. And if it is too heavy, don't hesitate to go to a therapist. And remember one thing, there is no shame in asking for help. Just like in physical pain, we go to the doctor. We can also ask help for mental pain. The truth is, you are not weak if you feel stressed, and you are not broken if you feel anxious. You are human. So, if your mind is tired, rest. And if your heart is heavy, talk. Talk to your closest person. Talk to your trusted person. Healing starts when you start listening to yourself. Stress and anxiety are like twins who look similar but behave very differently. Do not overlook stress and anxiety because you are still functioning. Sometimes the people smile most are struggling silently from inside. Your mind also needs care, rest, attention, just like your body. The earlier you recognize it, the easier it becomes to manage. Talk to someone, slow down, take rest, take proper sleep, and ask for help when needed. स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी दोनों ही ज़िंदगी का पार्ट हैं। इनको कम्प्लीटली एलिमिनेट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट इनको मैनेज किया जा सकता है। This was today's episode of Simple Talks. If you find it relatable, please share it, like it and subscribe it. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए stay calm, stay focused and keep moving forward. Thank you. Namaste.